What you got? Is that a spoon? Are you feeding yourself? Huh? Oh yeah, yum. Huh? Oh, that's the wrong way. You can't eat that way. No. Ah. Huh? What you got? What is that? Your mama's silly. That's silly, mama. Here. Oh. Let's put some more rice on there. Come here. Ooh. There you go. Oh, come here. There. Huh? Uh-oh. You put that in your mouth, darling. Good job! Yay, Kaylee! Good job! Where'd that go? Does that go in your mouth? Yeah, good job! Oh, yeah. You want some more? Here, let's put some more on there. Yeah, I know. Mama, when she takes your spoon away. Yeah, there you go. Put it in your mouth. Good job, Kaylee. Yay! Got some more? Yeah. Oh, we're making such a mess. It's so much fun. Huh. Oh. Got some more? Need spoon? I know, you get Mama when she takes your spoon away. Here. Good job. You're gonna need a bathroom here. Right everywhere. Yeah. We got that right everywhere, don't we? It's in there.